Hi everyone, and welcome to today's update about SHIB. And I want to talk about SHIB very quickly. And before I even talk about SHIB, I want to thank each and every one of you who have showed massive support for these videos. And I didn't know SHIB was gonna move the way it's moving right now. It's surprising many people, but let me tell you one thing: SHIB is moving as it's supposed to move. Okay, everything is on the charts, and I'm gonna tell you the next level of resistance for SHIB, and I do think now SHIB is good to go towards the 8,000 region. Okay, now a quick overview: we actually came here, we went all the way down here, consolidated a little bit, we broke out, we go here, we made another symmetrical triangle, and we broke out of there, and we're moving right now. Okay, so this one is SHIB on a very higher time frame. Okay, and I'm going to take the bottom there, sorry, the top to the bottom here, and I want to tell you the next level of where SHIB is about to go. At the moment we're looking for 6,500. Okay, because we crossed the golden ratio, this is the 0.618, and we're good to go towards the 1.618. Now for me, I see SHIB going all the way to 1.618, and this is the place where you can actually see a level of rest here for SHIB, I guess. Okay, it could come all the way here, touch this level, and there, my friend, you might see a small retracement now towards the 1.272. Okay, and we stay here for a while until we do not continue the business towards the upside direction. Maybe go to 11,000, maybe even go to 13,000, maybe go to the top of the Fibonacci, which is the 37,000. Who knows? But at the moment, the midterm, I do see 8,662 for SHIB. I don't want to go into the smaller time frames. I don't think it's a good idea right now because we're following the larger time frame in there. Okay, and there's another few, but I'm gonna tell you some few patterns, some few bullish patterns. And this is a huge cup and handle. Do you see this cup? That's your cup. Okay, you formed your handle right there, and I think, wow, and that's huge. Sorry. This is your cup, like this. This is your handle right there, and this is where you broke out of your handle. So if I take the top there to the bottom here of the cup and handle, wherever you break out, this is where you break out, it still takes you to that 8,611. And I'm going to tell you one more thing. Based on the fibs from the top to the bottom right there, do you see this going to 1.618? It is taking you to 1.618. So do keep in mind that I don't see SHIB going above this price level. If it even goes to 9,000, there will be just a small wick, then come down. Okay, it is gonna come down. Nothing goes up all the time forever, but since it's moving parabolically, I just wanted to tell you based on fibs where it's gonna go, and that's the 1.618. Okay, keep that in mind. That's my technical target at the moment, in the midterm, or in the immediate short term. And but the speed actually SHIB is moving up, it can actually do that. So I'm gonna zoom in into the smaller time frames in there, just like that. Okay, so last time I did show you this symmetrical triangle. We were in a symmetrical triangle, we broke out of the symmetrical triangle, we went back to where we formed it, and we also kept moving up, came down, and now we're good to go. Okay, so it is making its move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top here to the bottom right there, like this, and we're reaching, we've already crossed the 0.618. the next level was 1.618 as well. We've crossed this one, we've crossed that one. Now I think I'm gonna draw the fibs on another placement right there. I'm gonna show you in a moment. I'm gonna treat this one as my high and this one as my low on a smaller time frame at the moment, because we had an area of influence right there. So this is your high, this is your low. Again, we've already crossed the 0.618, we've already crossed the 1.618. Wow, do you see this? So SHIB for me is following the higher time frame fibs, okay, which is this one now, The smaller ones are not very good. So do expect that we're gonna take a breather if we cross the 1.618. But there's another thing that I want to tell you. This has to be decided. This one has to be decided, this level. If we ever touch the level and we start crossing and we come for the support and we bounce off there, wow, The next target is 11,000 and 13,000. But if we go and take a rest from here, we might go a little bit down, find support to the 7,300, but in my opinion we're going to find a level of big support towards the 6,500. Even the previous all-time high here could be a big support. So if you ever see SHIB do something like big like that, I'm pretty sure whenever you're gonna see big green candles, you're gonna get big red candles as well. Okay, so you might even fall back into the previous all-time high to retest the all-time high once again before you continue towards the upside once again to make another parabolic movement. Or you can actually come to the 1.618, make another symmetrical triangle like this, just as you did in here, break out of that, and you're good to go. Okay, so that is SHIB. Keep in mind we're going for this technical target right here, and yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. And thank you so much for the massive support.